by a waterfall, plunging off the edge of the world. My thoughts in a free-for-all float into the void that unfurled. The bonds of the physical cannot circumscribe our mind. Our dreams, like the waterfall, create a new space and time. The words of the know-it-all tell us where to find the soul. Just dam up all the waterfalls, the party servant to the whole. But deep in the frozen lake, a seed of riot will emerge. The walls will not endure the quake, the dam will not survive the surge. I walked by a waterfall, plunging off the edge of the world. My thoughts in a free-for-all float into the void that unfurled.